Okay, today we'll be installing Wi-Fi Linux drivers on a 2021 Debian Kali distribution. The dongle we'll be using can be found from eBay if you just search up Wi-Fi dongle AC or Wi-Fi adapter AC. It's a 5 GHz AC Wi-Fi adapter or dongle that connects to a PC by USB. It's very well priced. You can see that there are a lot of these. I assume most of them are from the same manufacturer as they look pretty generic and look the same. Let's get on right to it. Alright, first we'll search what we have connected to our device. Oh, that's USB. Here you see AO2.11 AC. This is what we're interested in. So Realtek. Typically this is the code you'll search. Here it is. The code. Driver, you'll find something like this. And you can see this is the Realtek driver we want. I found the latest version on GitHub already for you. It's going to be linked in the description. So the driver it uses is RTL8821CU. They have instructions on their README, which is well written. Over here you can see it includes the Kali. It's a Debian distro, and the problem is that this will bring you to an error if you don't install a package that they haven't included, which is called BC. I'll just install it here for you. I've already installed it, so here it's installed. Alright, now we can just follow the instructions and it'll work. Normally, just update. Alright, install the necessary packages. I've already installed them, so no need. We'll make a directory, temporary directory, enter the directory. Now we'll clone this repo. Alright, now we'll enter this repo. Actually, beforehand, I'm just going to give permissions to this directory. Alright, might be bad practice, but I assume it's safe. Now we can enter the directory. Alright, so now we can install it. This takes around like 5 minutes, so maybe less. Alright, so this is what you'll see when it's installed. And we'll just hit no, we don't have to. No, we can reboot later. Alright, so this is it. You've installed the Realtek. And if you reboot, you'll find that you can connect using your Realtek USB. Alright, thank you. subscribe, or like if you want to